Hi everyone, this is Sidra from Gourmet Gatos, and today I'll be showing you how to make one of my most popular and top selling flowers, which is a whimsical rose. Hi everyone, welcome back to Gourmet Gatos. Now in this video I'll be showing you how to make one of my most popular and my best selling flowers, which is a David Austin sugar rose. Let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome back to Gourmet Gatos and another tutorial. I'm so excited to do this rainbow tutorial for you, so let's get started.